Hi, today I'm in front of me Vivo T1 Pro 5G and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail accounts on this device. So first launch the Gmail application, and after that tap on the right upper corner. Just to log out from Gmail account in Gmail app, we should first log out from Google account on our device, and to do that tap to manage accounts on this device, tap to your Google account, click remove account and confirm your action by tap to remove account. If you use some protect methods, just verify that it's you. And now we just successfully log out from the Google account on our device, so let's go back to the Gmail app and we could see that we just successfully log out also from Gmail account application. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.